Well, how's it going?
Good.
I should have got a video of us picking the locks. That would have been better.
Here we go. Another one. And of course, it's a cold day. Of course. No picky locks. All right.
And some cheapo foreign locks.
Yep. Cheapest ones I've ever seen in my life.
Is that the one that's already picked?
I don't think so. I think this one's...
We can shim that one.
Yeah, this one's pretty good. Dig it out of here. There we go. Almost got it. Okay. And action.
I hate it when they fall in there sometimes.
Yeah, it is one that's picked.
Oh, okay.
So we got tape underneath. Is that how this is going to play out?
Yeah, we can just tape it back. Just keep it from falling
Out.
Yeah. Well, it's not going to fall back, but it's going to go back in the unpicked position. Don't take the clip off. Just take the tape off.
Tape off? Okay.
Why not?
No.
I always do. That's... You don't have to take the clip off. You don't have to get it in a position that... Well, you got to remove it carefully. I remove it. I mean, pick the other tape. Slowly. Don't remove it all the way. No, the other side. Finish that side.
Okay.
Yeah. You're going to have to retape it completely if you screw up the tape.
That's okay.
No, you don't want to retape it.
You do that too?
I always use the same tape.
All right, now.
Turn it the right way. You're turning it the wrong way.
Yeah.
Mark.
Okay, there we go. Okay.
Okay.
Now.
Just dump those, or put in a try key down here.
Which?
Oh, just those keys down there. Setup keys, yeah.
Just any old key.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
All right.
See if any of them are fitting. So.
Yeah, not too bad. First, and let's see. No, none of them.
Just dump them on, put them on, and we'll write down the number.
Okay. All right, here we go again. Here we go. So what do you think that is?
No.
4, 2, 3,
5, probably. 4,
4.
maybe. Well, just try them.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. What number was that? 40? 240?
Yep. Yep, that's 4, what did we say? 4, 2?
Yeah, I think so.
2.
195, yeah.
Come on. Yep, 4, 2. 3. Let's see. 3. And
Doesn't look like a 5, or is it?
yeah, 4, 2, 3. 5-4. Let's try that.
5's 265.
Right. I'm gonna go 5-4. And do 4 there. Now the 4 doesn't look right. So
No,
it's
it
not
must be a
4.
3.
Yep.
Maybe the other one's a 4. But it's probably a 5.
No doubt.
5. Huh? Or is it? I can't see that good.
Well,
Got to get these right. We don't want to have
seems like
to
all the rest of them are too high.
No, I think they're all right.
You think so?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like you're getting turned.
I can't tell from here.
Okay. 4.
I'm trying to film. I can't even see.
Alright, let's try 5 here. Where's 5? 5's over here. Let's see, it doesn't turn, so.
I guess they're too high. But the first one looks right, doesn't it?
No, all of them look too high.
Oh.
Okay. So start all over again. Sort of. Sort of. Let's see. So we go 3.
It'll be too low because it's a 4 unlock. Sometimes they just don't queue up.
Right. Probably. 3. Can you hear that owl?
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing. Come on.
Is there still a pin in it? I don't know.
Yeah, okay, 3.
Is it really? All right.
3, 1.
Yeah.
3, 1, 1, 1, 170? 175.
Yeah, 170.
Okay. Yep. And let's see. It's a 2 instead of a 3. Instead of a 3, and
Well, if you're right, that has to be a 4. The next one, right?
yeah, you'd think 4. Yeah,
But I thought you
4,
tried the 4.
4, 2. Okay. 4, 2. I think that's a 4. Come on, come on, come on. Yep, and a 2.
Well, you can try it before you turn it all around anyway.
There we go. Okay. Let's try it.
Smooth, huh?
Smooth, yeah.
Okay.
Smooth operator. Okay.
Well, the
Now
tape
take-
should still work,
Yeah.
probably. You just give it to me, I can put it back together.
Okay.
Put it down here. Yeah. Go on
I
to
might
that.
want to retape that too.
Yeah. Okay, well, there's how to
That's
rekey
one.
one lock.
Yeah,
here.
one lock.